Welcome to the Study Abroad Quiz Game. So I'm your host for today, Cheryl Calais, and today we're putting the spotlight on the experts behind our dreams. Yes, our brilliant education consultants. So they're usually the ones guiding students to success abroad. But now, it's their turn to be tested. Well, this doesn't happen every day, pero let's take this chance to showcase all your knowledge. Baka hindi nyo pala alam lahat. So from visa fees to top-ranking universities to English requirements, I'm sure you know all of them. But the questions are gonna be tough and the competition is fierce. Patingin nga mga fierce faces nyo dyan. Ayan. Spotlight nyo sila, guys. And they've guided hundreds of students across borders, but now they're crossing into a new kind of challenge. So let's begin. But the rules, you must follow all the rules. Okay? Dito tayo, dito sa number 1. Question. Dito multiple choice ha. This is not Kahoot or multiple choice, so you have to answer. Okay. For a student visa application, what's the maximum number of hours per fortnight you are allowed to work during your study period in Australia? 1, 2, 3, go! So, parang si Apple nga. Okay. Okay. Apple. How many hours per fortnight?
48.
Ang dami ng points ni Apple. 1 point for Apple. Okay, Apple, can you choose the question, please? Which of these?
Easy.
Question. At what time of the year does Australia typically update its visa fees?
July.
Teka muna. Ayan. Teka muna. Okay. Next question. What are the essential documents students must submit when applying to a university overseas? Wait lang. You can just answer one. Hindi na kailangan ng nung sobrang daming essential docs. Okay? So, go!
Transcripts.
Transcript of records. Correct. Apple 1 point, Diane 1 point. Diane, choose your weapon. Ay, hindi. Choose your poison pala.
Medium.
Medium. Oh, nako, ang hirap nito. Which two Australian universities currently rank within the global top 20 in the 2026 QS World University Rankings? Okay. Go! Parang si Kay. Parang si Kay.
Unimal plus units love you.
Wow! 5 points ka agad! Pag talaga yung mga rankings with Australia, you'll never go wrong. They're usually in the top 20. Tama? Diba? Okay. Kyle!
Okay. Medium, top right.
Top right. Oh, specific. Very, very specific. Let's get that specific piece of paper. Since 5 points siya, 5 points, I'd like you to enumerate 5 of the 8 universities that make up Australia's group of 8. Go! Alam, bilis talaga ni Apple. Okay.
University of Melbourne, University of Sydney, UNSW Sydney, Adelaide University, University of Queensland.
Very good. Okay. Apple, 5 points.
Hard.
Hard. Okay. 10 points kagad. Question. Which medical course specializes in diagnosing and treating disorders of the eye? Ay, ang bilis ni Cameron. Nakakabilib. Mike, please.
Optometry.
Tama ba, judges? Still tayo. Go!
Ophthalmology.
So there's a difference between optometry and ophthalmology. Okay? Pero ano ba yung tinitake ng students kapag bago ophthalmology?
Optometry.
Hindi. Ano pa yung ibang pwedeng option?
Vision science.
Vision science. Very good. O see? Galing talaga ng mga counselors ng AUG.
So yung mga...
Si Dayan lang yung mga. Okay. Which one, Dayan? Hard ulit. Ako, grabe ka, Dayan.
Na yung easy naman para mabawasan siya.
Para mabawasan yung easy. Yung medium hindi nababawasan. Uy, Dayan, bawal mag-search. sobrang bagal ng taas ng kamay nyo. Ewan ko na lang. Okay. If you have concerns about your visa application, who should you contact for help? Kamay sa harap. Go!
Education counselors. Same
teka
naman
muna,
yun.
baba ulit
Consultants. Counselor, okay. Alam niya.
Hindi,
Education
sige, sige.
consultants.
Iyan natin to. So same kasi we used to call ourselves counselors. Now we call ourselves consultants. So that we don't confuse ourselves with, other counselors, what we call that. So we call ourselves education consultants.
Hard.
Hard
Medium
daw.
po.
What is the typical IELTS score for business management programs? Go! Wala si Apple.
6.5 to 7.0.
Actually, pag business management programs, hindi siya tumataas ng 7.0. So usually 6.0 to 6.5. Which country has the most international students enrolled in higher education as of 2025? Go!
US.
The answer is correct! Grabe nakahabol! Naku, matetest ako nito. Enumerate the 6 universities that make up the Australian Technology Network of Universities. ATNs.
Enumerate lahat?
Oo, kasi 10 points to eh. So 6 lang yon. 8. Pwedeng maghati. Kung alam mo tatlo, 5 points lang yon. Go!
RMIT, there's UNSW, and then University of Sydney.
Wrong.
It's Curtin University, UTS, and RMIT.
Alam ko to! Hindi, in all fairness, nag-update kasi siya. Before it used to be 5, yung alam ko nga rin, it used to be 5, ngayon 6 na siya. Dahil dyan, 5 points ka lang. Ako napapagod na sa inyo, ah! What is the capital city of Canada? Go!
I know this. It's Ottawa.
Correct. Ang kulit nang tumatawag sa akin, wait lang. Hello? What is the difference between occupational therapy and speech pathology? Go!
Okay. So speech pathology, it helps more patients that has issue with swallowing and speaking. Occupational therapy helps patients to function on their day-to-day basis, like how to open a bottle, or like how to slice a bread efficiently, more on device.
Okay, that's correct. Parang nag-google parang yung nabasa ko, kasi nakuha niya yung keyword ng occupation na day-to-day activities kasi nga occupation siya. 'Di ba? Tapos yung sa speech naman, maraming aspects nung sa speech pathology, pero you specified yung mga yung mga areas. Name 5 partner institutions based in Australia. Go!
Goran.
Bigay na natin sa kanya. Tignan natin, ha?
University of Queensland,
Okay.
Torrance University, University of Sydney. Two more? Sakit yun. RMIT.
Wow, ano pa?
Hala, no, mind block lang. Phone a friend. University of Melbourne. No. It's ano pala? It's Melbourne.
The UK's Russell Group is home to world-leading institutions. Give me 5 unis that are part of this elite. Go!
University College London. University Queen's Belfast. University of York. University of Warwick. Tapos... Hanap pa nila doon. Pwede ba kasi tama naman eh. Tama oh. Tapos...
Steal!
No, don't steal! No. Durham University.
Galing mo. Oh, dahil doon, Dayan, name 5 more.
5 more. Oh my God. King's College London. King's College London, Oxford University, Cambridge, University of Sheffield, and University of Glasgow.
Wow! Name 5 majors under the engineering degree umbrella. Umbrella sa engineering Goran. Dahil huli ka, oo. Ikaw sumagot. Oo. Kasi lahat sila hindi nag-follow, nagsipagtaasan ng kamay, huli siya. Oo. Oo.
Civil engineering, industrial, electrical, civil, industrial, electrical, mechanical engineering, and aeronautical engineering.
Ang galing! Name 3 health-related courses other than medicine. Go!
Nursing, clinical psychology, and what?
Kanina pa may mga tinatanong tungkol dyan.
Nursing, clinical psychology, ano na lang din, physiotherapy.
Ayan. Under sila ng anong umbrella sa Australia pag nagpaparegister? Oh. 1, 2, 3, go! O si... APRA, hindi APRA. APRA. Yung age niya, doon sa APRA. Ganun. Hindi APRA. I'll call on, para sa tiebreaker question, I need to call on si Miss Dia. Si Miss Cameron. And si Sir Kyle. Magta-tiebreaker question tayo galing sa easy. Ngayon, pag hindi... sobrang dali. Pag hindi niya sagot, which document proves your enrollment in an institution for your visa application?
Ay, complete name, Michelle. Dapat complete
Oo, gusto ko complete name. Go! Hala. Sino? Hala, si Cameron. Oo.
ECOE or Electronic Confirmation of Enrollment.